Hawala, a thriller set in 3 worlds. This podcast is an adaptation of the novel Hawala, available on Amazon. The link is in the episode description. Money leaves a trail, unless it doesn't. Some transfers live inside databases, others cross borders in armored trucks, but a rare few move in silence, unseen, unrecorded, trusted only by those who understand how to vanish. This story begins with a pair of footsteps, echoing across the cold corridors of Langley.
A whisper lost in endless rain, a shadow where the light has been. Does anybody know my name? Or the silent war I fight within?
Gentlemen, we're here because we failed. Badly. This is a postmortem on the Mansour operation. I expect honesty. And caffeine. Lots of it.
Then, I suppose we begin with who he was before everything fell apart.
Before he became a terrorist.
Before we turned him into something we didn't understand.
Fine. Take us back, Ralph.
The silence screams your name, a ghost within the frame.
Nadim Mansour was born as Lebanon cracked open. His parents fled before the bullets reached their doorstep, landing in the quieter chaos of North Jersey.
Nadim, dinner. Numbers can wait.
But they make more sense than people.
He was brilliant, isolated, a mind made for equations, trying to survive in high school cafeterias. But brilliance travels even into the Ivy League. At Wharton, Nadim's sharp edges softened. He learned the accents, the small talk, the posture of future bankers, and he caught the attention of one man.
Your father impressed us at Salomon Brothers, Nadim, but you're a generational talent.
Thank you, Professor.
Come intern with us, then join us. Wall Street needs minds like yours.
And just like that, Nadim stepped into the bloodstream of global finance. But success is fragile. News arrived from New Jersey. His father had been murdered.
Nadim, your father worked with us. Hawala, he helped families move money back home quietly.
And that killed him?
Someone on the Lebanon side changed. Wanted him to move money to dangerous people. He refused. Now he's gone.
And you want me to replace him?
After the 40 days of grief, grief first, duty later.
Pain plants seeds. Some take years to grow. September 11th began like any other morning on the 20th floor.
Ya Allah, what was that?
A plane. Jesus, Nadim. A plane just hit the tower.
He ran. Downstairs packed with smoke and strangers, across a city that felt like it was cracking under his feet. By the time he reached New Jersey, the world had already begun to twist.
Several of the identified hijackers have ties to financial networks.
One name, someone Nadim had met through Bassem, a coincidence that would soon become a noose.
FBI, open the door.
No, stop! Please, my son!
Nadim Mansour, you're under arrest for supporting terrorism. Hands up.
No, this is wrong, please.
Miriam Kesby, you too. Your son will go to his grandparents.
Handcuffs clicked. Neighbors stared from the dark behind their curtains. And Nadim's life fractured.
A whisper lost in endless rain, a shadow where the light has been. Does anybody know my name? Or the silent war I fight within?
So his wife was arrested too. Why wasn't she charged?
Because, what's the polite phrasing? Israel asked us to release her.
Israel? Why?
Because Miriam Kesby was theirs. Mossad.
Shock rippled across the room. The story had just doubled in size. Years earlier, Miriam wasn't just a rising economics student. She became a recruit, trained to monitor Palestinian diaspora networks. After being recruited, her marriage to Nadim put her inside the Hawala circuits, which Mossad needed visibility into.
You see clearly, Miriam, and clarity is a rare gift. You can help build safety for both our peoples.
Tell me how.
Her double life began long before her wedding ring. While Miriam advanced through covert channels, Nadim disappeared into Guantánamo. He didn't scream, didn't break. He studied. Economics, monetary theory, and later blockchain, decentralized finance, and cryptographic systems. By accident, the United States gave the wrong man the tools for a new kind of invisible empire.
I feel the thunder rising from the shadows, a heartbeat drumming secrets in my chest. The night unfolds its ancient whispered sorrows, but in the dark I'll stand, I will
We
not
released him in
rest.
2014. And somewhere out there, he built something we haven't fully mapped yet.
Something he learned from us, and from Hawala, and from pain.
So what the hell is he now?
A ghost with a calculator. A mathematician with nothing left to lose. A man walking quietly toward another border.
A spark ignites the silence all around me. I'll chase the dawn until the fear is drowned.
Next time, Uruguay, Brazil, and the first transfer in a system meant to shake the world. This podcast was produced with the support of artificial intelligence. The voices and audio production were created using 11 Labs.
I won't back down, I'll face the fear and let my voice break through the atmosphere.